Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Loklok is installed and you're signed in. Once done, locate the subtitle file on your device or cloud and verify its format is SRT or AS. Next, open the video you want a subtitle inside Loklok and pause at the first spoken line. This gives you a timing anchor. Make sure audio is clear so you can match lines. This immediate setup saves time when you import and sync subtitles in the next step. Now import the subtitle file. Menu, Subtitles, Import, then pick Local or Cloud Storage. You'll see the file's text in a preview. Use it to check encoding and broken lines. Play the video and observe where the first line appears. Adjust global delay if everything is shifted by a consistent amount. For drifting lines, edit per line timestamps, nudging by 0, 1, 0, 5 seconds as needed. Remember to save periodically so you don't lose edits, and preview the full segment after syncing. Finish by saving the subtitle track and choosing whether you want burned-in text or a selectable track. Play the video end-to-end to confirm consistent syncing and readable font size in landscape and portrait. If subtitles look out of sync later, reopen the import, check the subtitle file's frame rate and time base. Mismatches cause drift, and reapply a precise offset. One quick troubleshooting tip. If only later sections drift, split the subtitle file and apply
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.